Gil, and this is Debbie, and this is our 68 GT500 convertible. Very rare car. In 1968, the GT500 convertible, 4 speeds. They only made 152 of them. Only 8 in this color combination, so this is one of 8. I've owned it for 8 or 9 years. We drove it here from Lake Havasu 3 hours, so I'm cleaning the bugs off it right now. I've had probably half a dozen Shelbys in my life. This is my last one. So I'm getting old, so this will probably be the last one, but who knows. It was just repainted last year. The interior is pretty much all original. It's got 73,000 miles on it.
Do you know how much they cost originally?
This car originally was probably about $5,000. Today's market is probably worth about $180,000, $190,000. I owned a 65 Shelby that's going for $500,000 now that I sold a couple of years ago. It's about 2,000 drive.